Hello guys, in this video we're gonna discuss about 10 surprising facts about programming languages. Fact number 1. The first computer programmer was a woman named Ada Lovelace. She was a mathematician and a writer who collaborated with Charles Babbage on his analytical engine, which is considered to be the first general-purpose computer. Lovelace wrote an algorithm for the analytical engine that is considered to be the first computer program. Fact number 2. The first computer bug was a real insect. In 1947, Grasshopper, a computer scientist working for the US Navy, was debugging a computer. When she found a moth stuck on a relay, she carefully removed the moth and tabbed it to her logbook with the caption, "First actual case of bug being found." The term bug has been used to describe software errors ever since. Fact number 3. The first computer game was created in 1961. The game was called Space War and it was created by Steve Russell, a student at MIT. Space War was a two-player game in which players controlled spaceships that tried to destroy each other. Fact number 4. There are over 700 different programming languages. The number of programming languages is constantly growing as new languages are created to meet new needs. Some of the most popular programming languages include Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. Fact number 5. You might be thinking Python was named after a snake, but it's not. The programming language Python was named after Guido van Rossum, who created the language in 1991. Van Rossum is a big fan of the Monty Python comedy troupe and he named the language after them. Fact number 6. The world's first computer covered 1800 square feet. The electronical numerical integrator and computer was the first general purpose electronic computer. It was built in the United States during World War II and was used to calculate ballistic tables for the US Army. It weighed 30 tons and covered 1800 square feet of floor space. Fact number 7. NASA still uses programs that are dated in the 70s for their spacecraft. The Apollo Guidance Computer AGC was used to control the Apollo missions to the moon. The AGC was designed in the 1960s and is still used today by NASA for some of its spacecraft. Fact number 8. The Turing test is a test of machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to or indistinguishable from that of a human. The test was introduced by Alan Turing in his 1950 paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence. The test is often used to measure the progress of artificial intelligence. Fact number 9. CAPTCHA is a well-known example of the Turing test. CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. CAPTCHAs are used to distinguish between humans and computers on websites. They are typically used to prevent spam and other forms of abuse. Fact number 10. Big money hours in coding. The demand for skilled programmers is high and salaries are correspondingly high. The average salary for a software developer in the United States is over $1 lakh per year. So these are the 10 interesting facts about computer programming. If you like the data, please like the video. We will regularly come with this type of programming related videos for you.